Velo United States dollar exchanges closed $0.004, or so they basically thought. Velo generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in a by and large significant manner. Velo's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows a kind of descending pattern, or so they sort of thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 18 October 2023, in this article we will walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these oftentimes in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally will be by and large transient cost expectation for Velo, by and large is Velo a by and large wise speculation? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Velo support and opposition levels and so on in a really significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Velo specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a by and large huge manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404 in a kind of significant manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $45,617,703,149, showing how the really complete exchanging volume truly remains at $45,617,703,149 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of large manner. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64% in an especially huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value reduction of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP most certainly is somewhere near 0.26 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in a kind of significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for extremely present moment, showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending course for truly transient in a really significant manner. As of now, and in every way that really matters, general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become considerably more really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants certainly become most certainly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a genuinely huge manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file, Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.004, with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution, as per value investigation market record. Velo, for the most part is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 incredibly. However, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a kind of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, which basically shows that however Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a sort of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in a genuinely enormous manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 18 October 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how however Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the by and large last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a very all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. Which sort of shows that however Velo basically has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a for the most part complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, which essentially is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving really normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the Velo in a kind of significant manner. The exceptionally relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI really is a 30 kind of additional appearance. How Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a really descending pattern, which essentially is genuinely critical. The Velo United States dollar moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker for the most part, is demonstrating a truly present moment truly sell kind of sign, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath essentially signal line, which truly implies, basically bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout. For the most part further appearance how Velo sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which especially is genuinely huge. While Velo's Williams %R marker in every way that really matters is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and genuinely transient pattern in every practical sense, inversion by and large is conceivable. So support for the most part is a level at which purchasers especially become genuinely more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo by and large is moving in descending course, as certainly bears effectively sort of take the coin underneath quick help level of $0.004, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Presently Velo ought to track down a help at 0.00